'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
My route, so the vibe now, I'm not sure if this is the same video or if it's a separate video, but the vibe now is to basically we're going to have a cook up on the key, on Booby Cay. We're going to have a cook up, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this cook up. The whole vibe out here is extremely beautiful. The water. Music from that boat is not too loud. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. This boat right here, that was actually the one I was supposed to be on. But this boat is it's one of the more popular ones that a lot of people know. Their cost is listed in US dollars. As I said, if you guys remember my Port Royal Lime Key trip. My Port Royal Lime Key trip. Remember I told you guys that the price was expensive, and I asked around and found some locals that did it for significantly less. It's the same. So basically their price, Captain Raymond's price is basically half of their price. So I saved a lot of money by just searching around for local people who would offer the same service. But yeah, going to go in on the quay now, find a nice spot to kind of lay back, and then shall start the cook up. Out on the quays, it's extremely cool and peaceful out here. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yo, so the man them no waste no time. The man them going straight into the cooking. Oh, you start the chefing already. So I go on to the chefing. Yeah. Drop some chicken on the grill. Some nice jerk chicken to start it off. Nice. Oh, I'm good, man. Alright guys, so the real chefing's cooking really started. So I'm gonna explore a bit. When I went to Lime Cay, you guys said I didn't explore the island enough, so I'm going to see what's around here on the Booby Cay. Yeah, the Booby Cay. You can see where I'm going. I wonder if like camping out here is allowed. I mean, it should be. I don't think there's anything that would cause camping not to be allowed. So excited though for this cook up. Yeah, if you guys even know how all of this came into fruition, you guys wouldn't even believe. So actually I was to be in Ocherius doing a vlog with my friends, you know, the same guys that went to Blue Mountain with me. Whoa, you guys really like their vibe, and I was supposed to do a vlog with them today in Ocherius, but things did not work out last minute, and I needed a release, I needed a break, so I had to do something this weekend. Scampered through the list of things that I wanted to do, saw this and said, you know, this would be cool to do. I contacted Captain Raymond about after 10 last night, and he answered, and got up 4 a.m. started the trip to try and catch here for 11 o'clock, and I was a few minutes late, but I got here. Whoa, whoa, ho, 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 ho. Whoa, around here so pretty. It's a real nice. Guys, around this side is a beautiful spot. See? Whoa! Yo! Ow, extremely sharp rocks. Some extremely sharp rocks around this side. Oh, oh shit. Alright. I guess that's my cue to leave this place. Alright, so I'm going back around. I'm going back around too. Hey, you guys smudge up. Come on. Can't smudge up the maroons yet. So I'm going back around to the main area. Around this side of the quay is a lot quieter, so let me just take this time to level with you guys for a bit before going back around. It's a new year. It's the first upload that I will be doing for 2022. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys gave me through 2021 and all the support that you're going to give me. At the time of recording this, we're at 470 subscribers, so I believe that with the Maroon clan we can push for 500 subscribers, and we're going to get 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support that you've been giving me. Just something to add. I'm not sure if it will be on this video, but something new that I'll be adding to the channel is I'll be having a PayPal link in the description if you guys are interested in supporting. If you guys are interested in supporting the channel, in helping to fund these excursions, these videos, gladly appreciate. If you guys have the opportunity, if you can't afford to send something, you can just leave a like on the video. If this is your first time watching a video from LaMaNDi, come on, hit the subscribe button, join the Maroon clan, become a Maroon, share the video with your friends and families. As I say, we're trying to get to 500 subscribers. As a matter of fact, we should hit the 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year, and I believe that with the support of the Maroons, your guys' support, it's very possible. So hit the like button, leave a comment. That's how YouTube knows the video is something worth watching. That's how we get shared to more people. Damn, it's like a real jungle, man. Look like the chefing start the real way. Let me see what I got. Fresh lobster. Like more run.
Yeah, so bad. You know, I can keep you. want to get something cold to drink?
Just muscle, so it's not really alive anymore.
No, not anymore.
Fire blaze under them, man. So the heat make it a move or just because it's them just said.
So wait, the way they're moving, it's not so alive.
No man, so that's what he's saying. He's saying because the muscle, because they just
twitching the muscles.
yeah,
Twitching.
and then because they go straight through the brain once they do it. You know?
That's what I thought. No, they cut the things off first.
Oh yeah, they.
Poor little guy was flapping around.
They probably should go through the brain before
I
chopping
think
off.
so, yeah. But yeah, they're all quivering.
And I think yeah, that one is moving a lot.
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh. Have lobster sashimi.
Monday.
But that. So, what I want to put in there? Oh. And that's all good enough for the whole of them lobster there?
Yeah, and the butter.
And the butter. Yeah, man, it's a knife though. Yeah, you think, man. It smells so amazing over there. I had to take myself away. I haven't eaten from morning. I got about 4 o'clock, jumped straight on the bus, came straight here. So right now I'm famished. So excited for the lobster to be done so that we can dig in. You guys might watch the video and like it, but being here is a different vibe. You definitely should give him a call and check it out. Oh look, an old fish pod. It's a old fish pot. I always find it fascinating how the fishermen remember where they. What you say? Oh. Oh, Captain. Come back. I just want to keep them alive and fresh. I just want to keep them alive and fresh. Makes sense, makes sense. Huh?
Fresh lobster, the lobster guy.
Yeah,
That's the weed, good marijuana, and it's free in Jamaica, no for charge.
Yeah, which strain? Which strain? So where I go? Where I look what the herbalists have. Yeah, yeah.
This is the tangy.
Yeah.
Take a look at it. That's the tangy.
Oh, smell good.
Yeah, smell good, strong.
So,
This one is Wabba Kush.
yeah, man.
Purple,
Well
fully purple.
purple.
Yeah. And this is the next Wabba Kush again, purple again. Yeah.
We have your stash, man.
Yeah, man.
You have the knife skills, man.
Where are you with it?
You have the knife
You
skills.
good? You get beer also?
Eh?
Have beer or what?
Yeah, man. I'm going to have water, man. I'm good, man.
Yeah?
Don't really fancy beer, you know?
Okay.
Huh? They say the fishing trips to do.
Yeah, man, all of them, we go out there. Go hunt. That's we call it hunting.
Oh, deep sea.
Yeah. We no more sketch, you know, but
You know, on line or line on the use.
line, yes, true.
This all goes in with the butter.
Yes.
What is it? Onion, tomato,
Onion, tomato,
garlic.
ginger.
ginger. That's it.
Yeah, some ginger in it.
Nice.
Give it some flavor.
And a little kick.
Yeah.
Yeah, love ginger.
Yeah. Like this I gotta use holy for butter though.
Yeah, we put like all 2 packs,
Yeah.
3 packs sometimes.
Yeah.
No shirt this year?
No shirt this year, I don't know.
Okay.
They're too big anyway.
Okay.
Fisherman, captain and chef.
Yes, man, every
All
time.
in one.
Oh, God, yo. Don't ask it, yo.
All in one. Guys, it's so beautiful here with the sunlight just peeking through. Let me see.
It's one video. Plate for bill, film fish. Whole package.
Oh gosh, man.
More.
Yeah. Alright, captain.
Yes, bill it.
Yo, guys, this smells absolutely. Yo, this smells so good. This looks so good, my roots. Like, let me give you guys a look at what. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Oh wow, this looks so good. Hungry, you know? I'm gonna dig in right now. I'm so excited. So we have a little jerk chicken, have rice, have a whole lobster, and we have the slice of bread that was grilled. Guys, so like I mentioned before, I haven't eaten from morning, so this is going to be the first meal of the day. I'm trying the chicken.
I thought if you didn't have one, I'd gonna get one.
Guys, I'll have to finish the vlog on the phone. Firstly, the verdict on the rice. Yo, Captain Raymond, the chef, the rice was so good, and the jerk chicken is flavorful. I had a taste of the lobster here. Let me just get a piece of the lobster meat out. Is it bread? First half of the damage done. I'm getting some error on the camera, so it seems as if some salt water got in there somehow, so I forgot to check that out. Hopefully I can salvage the footage and it's not damaged because I got an SD card error. I'm just going to finish up the next half, show you guys when I'm done. Oh, wow. And there you guys have it. The damage is done. The last piece actually dropped, so but yeah. While standing here in the beautiful Caribbean Sea, taking some of the nice breeze in this warm tropical water, thought just came to mind. I wish I had a drone so that I could send you guys out and kind of like give you a wider view as to what it's like out here. This by far has been one of the best top experiences of my life, and I'm happy that you guys are experiencing it with me. Oh gosh, such a beautiful day, especially because it was such short notice. The fact that everything worked out so well, only God knows. Anyways, it's been I'm just going to wrap the video up. If this is your first time, consider subscribing again. Leave a like on the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the experience. Watch the pelican, watch the pelican. Dip, one pelican. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the video. Drop it in the comments, leave a like, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, and in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tell me no, you never gonna believe me. Coming with a funny time to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come and let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow Johns why you feel like listen. Anything to turn ain't a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing. 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 I know my other body that's in a joint up. Tell me what is work with the body for spoil us. And I know I'm the feel you feel it too. I've been hot in a man like a big cartoon. And I remember when you tell me say you love me. It took a minute but you really did above me. And maybe we now wait till this ugly before we give everything we have. No.